again. So gonna speak two languages as well, Lao and English, because he also tests at the same time. You can do meditation. Yeah, you can close your eye, stay calm, feeling like please try to control your mind. Stay in the moment now. Stay in the present. Stay at your breathing. Or you can mem put to in and out. Put to put in to out. Yes. Try to control your feeling. Try to control your thoughts. Do not jump to the past. Do not jump in the future. Must jump in the moment now. Yeah. Mostly most people they like to jump your thoughts, jump to everywhere, jump to your friend, jump to your family, jump to the past, jump to the future. Always thinking, every minute thinking. Think that make your feeling is bad. Feeling is good. Come from the thinking. Yeah. Sometimes your emotion feeling bad come from your karma. You done before is bad thing. Then you think too. And then you make your emotion is getting bad. Yeah. That's why we have to stay in the moment. That's why we have to stay in here and now. Here and now, please try to. คือสำคัญพยายามดึงจิตดึงใจเจ้าของมาอยู่กับปัจจุบันให้ได้อยู่กับกายเวทนาอยู่กับจิตอยู่กับธรรมอยู่กับร่างกายบ่ต้องดึงใจออกนอกบ่ต้องส่งใจออกนอกคนส่วนหลายส่งใจไปหาอดีตอนาคตหาญาติพี่น้องสิ่งของวัตถุเข้าของครอบครัวส่งใจไปตลอดแต่ละวินาทีฉะนั้นความคิดนี่แหละมันพาให้เฮาเกิดอารมณ์อันบ่ดีความคิดนี่แหละมันพาให้เฮาเกิดสิ่งที่นำพาให้เฮาทุกข์พาให้เฮาลำบากเป็นความคิดฉะนั้นเฮามารู้จักความคิดเฮามาดึงความคิดเฮามาคุมความคิดเฮามาสังเกตความคิดว่ามันคิดจังไดว่ามันคิดดีหรือบ่ดีพยายามสังเกตมัน It's like a thought. It's like a natural. Yeah. Natural. You can't stop natural. Yeah. What do you do with your thoughts, your thinking? You just see it. You just know it. You just what is gonna happen for to you, your thought. Your thought sometimes kind of thinking is good in the lesson you are doing in the past. Sometimes thinking is good. Just know it. If you see your thought and your thought will stop, you see it, because it's not conform at the same time. It's conform between your mindfulness and thoughts, different, separate. If your mindfulness come, your thoughts gone. If your thoughts coming, mindfulness gone. Example like one room, one table like this. One person sit, one second person cannot sit on one table. And thoughts sitting, mindfulness go out. If mindfulness sitting, thoughts go out. Something like that. That's why you have to practice and train a lot. You see that. So that's why I have the 5 quality of training for stop your thoughts, for cancel your thoughts. 5 quality what for training. Number 1 is faith or belief. Number 2 is energy. Energy is really important, like a hardworking energy. And number 3, like a mindfulness. This one really important. And the fourth is the meditate. And the last one, wisdom. Five of them, they work like a circle. They work together in the circle. If you believe first, you're doing right. You meditate right. If you more meditate, you hard working, or you energy, you do every day, something like that, you will be strong meditate and strong wisdom. And strong wisdom, you will more believe. More belief, more energy. More energy, more mindfulness. More mindfulness, more meditate. More meditate, more wisdom. And more, you will like your example, you will be the top. Like you climb up the mountain. You climb, you hard working, energy, and do not stop yet. Like a hen, like a chicken, is we are trying to make the egg broken. Baby chicken coming there. It's work is really continue. Do not work for example, at least 7 weeks continue. 7 weeks continue. If the chicken someday go to the hatch, go to the net for the baby, for the baby egg, and then jump out. 2-3 days come back again. I think is it is not really strong, not really warm enough. yeah not going to be the baby chicken have to do continue like yesterday you done meditate today you do again and also tomorrow every day you do yes you will get more and more for wisdom belief energy mindfulness and meditate yeah you will know by yourself you will touch by yourself what you're gonna be what happened to you yeah exactly yeah okay I translate loud คือสำคัญเวลาเฮาปฏิบัตินั่นนะคือต้องมีอินทรีย์5เป็นมาตรฐานในการที่พวกเฮาจะฝึกให้มันตัดกระแสกิเลสตัดกระแสอวิชชาตัดกระแสความคิดตัดกระแสทุกสิ่งอย่างที่ให้มันได้มาฐานที่ให้มันไปถึงขั้นสุดยอดที่ให้มันไหวเป็นมหาสติมหาปัญญามหาสมาธินะเฮาต้องมีหยังได้สิ่งที่เฮามีหามาตรฐานหาขอธรรมหาองค์ประกอบคือมีศรัทธาเมื่อมีศรัทธาแล้วก็ต้องมีความเพียรเมื่อมีความเพียรแล้วก็ต้องมีสมาธิเมื่อมีความเพียรต้องมีสติเมื่อมีสติแล้วก็มีสมาธิเมื่อมีสมาธิแล้วก็มีปัญญาเมื่อมันเกิดซ้ำหนึ่งกับเฮาแล้วคือศรัทธาเป็นเบื้องต้นเนาะศรัทธาเป็นเบื้องต้นเมื่อมีศรัทธาอะไรก็เฮาก็เริ่มปฏิบัติลงมือปฏิบัติแล้วปฏิบัติไปเริ่มปฏิบัติไปยิ่งพอกพูดยิ่งมีสติหลายขึ้นเมื่อมีสติหลายขึ้นสมาธิความตั้งมั่นของใจความตั้งมั่นของใจสมาธิเกิดขึ้นเป็นอันหนึ่งอันเดียวเป็นอารมณ์อุเบกขาเห็นสภาวะเด่นของจิตของใจและปัญญาสิเกิดสมาธิตั้งมั่นปัญญาสิเกิดอุปมาประไมยเหมือนน้ำใสนิ่งสมาธิคือกันคือน้ำใสนิ่งเฮาสิส่องเห็นปูเห็นปลาเห็นสัตว์เห็นทุกสิ่งทุกอย่างอยู่ในน้ำเฮาเห็นมันแล้วเฮาสังเกตมันมันผ่านไปผ่านมามันกลับไปกลับมามันวงเวียนจังซั่นความเป็นธรรมชาติของมันจังซั่นเฮามีแต่สังเกตซื่อๆเฮามีแต่เบิ่งมันซื่อๆนี่แหละเมื่อปัญญาเกิดขึ้นยิ่งเพิ่มศรัทธาเมื่อเพิ่มศรัทธายิ่งเพิ่มความเพียรยิ่งเพิ่มสติมีเพิ่มสมาธิเพิ่มปัญญาเพิ่มมันจะหมุนแบบวงจรนี่แหละเพิ่นว่าเป็นธรรมอันพาให้เฮาพ้นทุกข์เป็นธรรมอันพาให้เฮาปราศจากความโลภความโกรธความหลงอวิชชาเฮาสิเห็นสภาวะความเป็นธรรมชาติ yeah so like a natural when you do more and more meditate like clear water in the lake no wind out the muddy you know muddy yeah if you have a lot of muddy like you a lot of thoughts or thinking or bad emotion yeah if you do meditate like water really clear so you water really clear you can see from the top to look at to the water you can see fish you can see stone you can see everything yeah see everything what they going on what like a natural fish come go and back and everything animal in the water yeah they get going back. You just look at them. It's natural. It's go like that. Something like people in the wars, many people, local people, they going back, pass, like a let it go. Yeah, you see your wisdom. You do not go to cat it. Just look at only. Go and back, something, and let it go. Same like this, your emotion. Your thoughts, coming. Let it go. You see that? It's bad thoughts. Let it go. And good thoughts. Let it go. Something like that. If you practice the development. That's why I need everyone come to join here for practice to see. Because you got bad emotion, you will get suffering, get hurt. Sometimes someone you will cry. Sometimes you don't eat. Sometimes you sleep not good. That make you bad. Bad feeling, bad action, bad everything. Work bad. People stay speaking bad. Everything bad. Active bad. If you emotion bad. If emotion come from the thoughts. Really be careful. That's why I need many people come to learn, practice. But most people, they like to talk. Do not stay alone. If you stay alone, you do not talk too much. You will look at your own. You will see what gonna happen to you sometime. That's why I need you stay somewhere, stay alone, stay in the jungle like a monk. We have a VIP room, like a private room. We stay each house, each person, something like that. No stay together, no talk, no. Just talk to you, talk to yourself. Talk to your thinking. What thinking? Say like that. Okay. Any question?
It's good.
Good, yeah. Clear, yeah.
Understood.
Yeah.
I have one question.
Maybe you can translate more.
He just said it's better to stay alone for don't talk too much and more think in his own mind what happened to me, everything. But yesterday he told us he decided to being a monk because he was too much thinking to himself and he was scared to go to the hell and not to the heaven. So what is the balance between thinking out in his mind but not too much, don't be selfish?
Must I translate? Yes. She's asking about how you say that we must stay alone to think our own thoughts and talk to ourselves. But she's asking like, what is the balance? Because to not be selfish and always think about yourself.
Yeah. That's very good question. Because that one you will know how your fullness, mindfulness is working. How much your mindfulness is working. You can control yourself or not. You can like take care your own, something like that. Take care your own. But I can teach you like you just see your scary, see your feeling, see your thing. It's come on to you and then it will go and back. Come and go, something like that. I come to you and it's gone. It's not uncertainly. The all feeling, scary or lonely, everything you're feeling, do not like do not get it. Do not get it.
Get away.
Yeah, get away. Everything get away. But be careful how much your mindfulness got. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Very important. Your wisdom, your meditate, your mindfulness. Yeah, can help you. Yeah, you stay in your mindfulness. Mindfulness will help everything. Mindfulness like a friend of you, like a close friend of you. You can like a teacher, like a parent, like a parent.
Yeah.
Mindfulness, yeah.
Okay.
You know, you have more mindfulness, you will, really easy, everything, all feeling easy for you. Yeah, you don't scary, you just see, it come and go, something like that. Come and go, yeah. Yeah, just let it go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, more question? If no, I stop for video. No, more question. Okay. Okay, ขอบใจหลายๆสำหรับวันนี้เนาะ Thank you very much for join our conversation, join our activity, join our temple. Hope you gonna do it again.
Yes.
And in your future, in your home or somewhere, you do it. You do every step.
Of the circle.
Yeah. Every step. You eat. You do it. You go somewhere. You do it. You just look at your mind. Yeah. Look at your mind. What you feeling. What you thinking. Every time you can do that. Okay.
Okay.
And hope you will success and doing good, doing well ฮะ
Yes.
โอเคขอบใจหลายๆสำหรับญาติโยมที่เข้ามาชมเนาะว่ามันอนุโมทนากับพลังกับแขกเพิ่นมาประพฤติปฏิบัติธรรมเพิ่นก็ได้ความรู้พอสมควรเนาะ You get good thing from here. Yeah.
Very good.
Can you tell what you stay here for tonight? What one night ago? What happened to you? Can you say?
We've enjoyed our time here very much so far. We've learned a lot. We've learned a lot about meditation and about sitting through suffering as well. And just gotten a lot of wisdom from the monks over here. I don't know if anyone else wants to say.
Okay, and then can you move this one to her? And yeah, all you can do.
I think I've learned that I need to let go and that I can use meditation to help.
Okay,
letting
good,
go,
good,
to
yeah,
let go of suffering.
good, yeah.
Yeah.
And Thai.
Yeah, Thai.
I learned more things about Buddhism and the concept and the history between this religion. And I start to learn how to meditate, but it's really hard for now. But I really want to experience more and learn more about Buddhism. I'm really grateful to spend this day with you. And
Yes.
thank you so much.
Thank you very much. ขอบใจหลายๆเนาะ Hope you enjoy your trip and your life and successful everything. Okay, thank you ขอบใจไปปิด